Wait, there is a problem with the OBS. Let me just set it up. I know you cannot see the screen now. There is a problem with the OBS. Let me just set it up. Yeah. Yeah. By the way, I'm not interested in longs, as you know. So wait. Hello, what's up, everybody? Hello. What good? So. Vinci, how are you? Yo. So, this was the areas of interest as I mentioned yesterday before I was going. So, look what happened. We haven't filled out the opening range gap, the lower part of the opening range gap still. And I am currently not interested in longs until. So, we do have another opening range gap. Closed here. Open. The opening range gaps are marked by this. Then we will move to. US 100. It's 1022. Mark out the area of interest. So that would be from 17466.3. 17466.3 to 157 17517. 75 17. Yep. 517. Yeah. The price should stay below this point. In the medium term time frame. For me to be interested in buys, it needs to go up and above this point, stay above this point, fight to this point, then fight above this point. So, no. So as long as it stays below this point, I'm not looking for longs. This is one thing. The other 17445.3. 17445.3. Oh, I think the stream is lagging or something. Is the stream oh, see, watch this. What a surprise, right? It's 10:26. Haha. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Har Har Mahadev. Wow. That was a nice. Okay. I know. I know. I don't know how to. Vinci, I know this was a yeah, it's reconnecting again and again for some reason, you know. Anyways, okay, so you get the narrative, right? The narrative is as same as yesterday it was. Nothing has really changed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Obviously, no long. Can't you not see that if you were present yesterday, I drew this point, right? The two reference points. The last, as I was going, I said, okay, as long as we are below this point, this is an area of interest. I'm not allowed to. It's not that I want and anything. I'm not allowed to go along. So see what happens. At this point, it's 8:30. First hour of trading closed. And the higher time frame narrative point was this level, 428 point. To the lower part of this opening range gap. Uh, Wednesday is the stream still lagging. Ho, ho, ho. So it doesn't really seems impressive when you look at from the cues, but if you look at it from this point of view, a magic happened. The timing was perfect. Watch how this played out. Haha. Ho ho. I know it buffers, right? But still, I hope those who are watching are still getting the value out of it. It probably my internet connection is fucked up. So you have to deal with it, brother. Or you can lower the quality. You are still hearing me. I think that will do. Video quality. Okay, if anyone who was present yesterday remembers what I said about the targets, why do I do not put emphasis on the targets, right? So you got the example yesterday, a very good example. Okay, I streamed yesterday at this point, right? So I was hoping we not even hope. Yeah, you can say that this part was in the back of my mind, but I was not fixated on this target, right? And I explained I do not think of these things in I do not make a narrative based on a target. And look what happened. But still, that target is still relevant. Risk to reward got liquidity runs. Risk to reward is skewed, but it's still reaching for that point. Trying to. Not lie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But what's the point when it's not live and you watch it in hindsight? Because everything I say, I try to be real time as much as I can. So I'll see what's wrong with this afterwards. It's coming back up again. It's the first hour of trading closed from 9:30 to 10:30. This is the new hour of trading. This is the new hourly candle. On 10:30, the new hourly candle opened. Let's The narrative is clear for everyone. Or is it not? Is the narrative clear for everyone? I'm not interested in longs, that's for sure. Like, started the stream with that. Let's check this. Okay. Okay. 1H. First 1 hour. How much time is it left for it to close? 54 minutes. Okay, in 50, this is the new hourly candle. So hidden things. Can gyrate around this point. Can gyrate and gyrate and gyrate. No problem. NASDAQ. One 28. This is a very temporary level, 17. Oh, an extremely temporary level. 28. Let's not 4. It's blue. $39. Next, this 5 minutes candle, last minute, it's about to close. 57. We have FOMC on Thursday. Sales. Hello, my friend. No FOMO, no longs. For me to be interested in longs, it needs to move up and above this. This is a temporary level, very temporary, extremely temporary. It's gonna vanish within the next like 15 minutes. So this level and that level, and that's not happening. So allowed to do certain things, not allowed to go long until then. Fifteen minutes. Oh, what's all this garbage? Uh, so this is an interesting point of area of interest. Uh, should keep a record of this point. This is going to be prominent for the rest of the day. Probably a reference point for the rest of the day. Oh, wrong with this. Not like fuck. Leave me the fuck alone, bro. What's happening right now? Yeah. Keep a record of this level. It's a reference point for medium term time frame. You can burn this shit down, bro. Internet. Yeah. Yeah. This is the new 15 minutes which expanded its range. The closing of 15. This is the new 15 minutes. See what's going on the cues. Second candle of the 15 minutes. Come on. It's a very choppy day. Yeah, I know. Junaid. It is Junaid or Junaid? Junaid. Ah, okay. Mm. Why are you confused? I've mentioned it a million times. I'm not allowed to personally not allowed to go long. From yesterday, even the bias from yesterday is still playing out. The whole day it played out, as a matter of fact. For example, if you were in, okay, so if you if you recorded this coordinates and had a narrative that played out the whole day, And I'm still saying, okay, keep an account of this point. Okay, as long as the price stays below this point, I'm not allowed to go long. For it to go, for me to be allowed to go long, it needs to move up and stay up. Then it's gonna be in a no man's land for some time. Then I'm allowed to go long. So it's not give for exact flip at that point. It takes time. Transitioning phase is what I say for that. So overall, I'm not allowed to go long. What can I do as long as it stays below this level? I'm allowed to go short, framing a good risk to reward. It's an extremely choppy market. जिनेत यार मेरा आवाज ब्रोकन नहीं आ रहा। मेरा इंटरनेट बेंच ब्रोकन है यार, अब क्या बताऊं। अभी अच्छा वाला चल रहा था, इसकी माँ को लन बढ़ गया यार। गोरों को समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ। Watch this.